Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a recipe for really easy 4-ingredient low-carb broccoli salad. It's cheesy and creamy and just such a lovely salad to enjoy through the year, or especially in summer. This is my salad of summer. I make this at least once a week. It's just so good. So we're going to start with our broccoli. We're going to chop it up and grate the stem too. It's nice and not to waste any part of the broccoli, so we're going to use that too. Add some cheese, sour cream and a bit of lemon as well for some flavor, and you'll see it's an easy salad that is so tasty too. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save whenever you want to make this recipe. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this easy broccoli salad a try. So we're going to start off by preparing our broccoli. So I've got a nice piece of the stalk that we're going to grate, and we're going to see to the rest of the broccoli in a sec. We'll chop it up, but for now I'm going to just grate the broccoli stalk using the microplane grater till we get this like kind of broccoli slaw happening. So we'll grate all of the broccoli. And there you go, I've grated up the broccoli stalk, and now we'll chop up the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. So we'll just chop it up into little florets like that, pop it into the bowl until we've got a bowl full of broccoli. Just like that. And now for the lemon, we're going to give it a good wash and give it a roll around. It helps to release the juices. And I'm going to get my little microplane grater back and grate some of that zest over, so we've got some lovely zesty lemony goodness. There you go, I'm happy with that. You can see the little specks of lemon through the salad. And I'm going to use half of the lemon's juice. I'm just going to squeeze it over a sieve to catch any pips, just like that. Great. And then pour over the sour cream. I'm going for half a cup. You can go for half a cup if you really want it extra creamy, but I find for a head of broccoli, a half a cup is enough. And keep the half a cup handy. We'll add in a half a cup of grated cheese. Perfect. And then it's really just a matter of mixing everything through. I like to use a spatula to kind of gently mix everything together until every piece of broccoli is coated in a creamy cheesy sauce. It's so yum. Now this is best left in the fridge for a few hours so that lemon and sour cream can kind of work its magic on the broccoli, so it's not quite so hard. It almost cooks the broccoli with the sour cream and lemon, and yeah, so good. But that is the video for today with this lovely cheesy broccoli salad. As you saw, there were just 4 ingredients in the salad, and now it's up to you if you want to add some nuts to it. You can add other vegetables, totally up to you. I'll leave a link down below to the blog post, which will have loads of ideas for adaptations. But really, as you saw, 4 ingredients make a beautiful salad. This is perfect to take along to a picnic or potluck over summer. This will just be great to keep in the fridge and have when you feel like a meal. It really is a whole meal with the cheese and sour cream goodness. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know if you give this easy 4-ingredient salad a try. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.